This guide will show you how to put your PromptROI marketplace on your own white label domain. From the main dashboard, click on Settings. Then click White Label. Next, if you have a domain connected, simply click the Delete Domain button to start over and connect a new domain. If you have not added the A record to your DNS yet, click DNS Instructions. Copy this IP address, which is 76.76.21.21, and use that as the value in your A record. If you are unsure about how to add the record to your DNS, see the video in the training called DNS Record. Now go ahead and paste your domain name in the box provided. In this example, we are putting our PromptROI marketplace on the domain app.videotoolbox.ai. Then click Add Domain. Next, click the Check Domain button to verify your domain has been added and is configured properly. You will see a notification pop up showing the domain is configured correctly. Finally, click the green Connect Domain button and your domain will be connected to your PromptROI marketplace and ready for business. And that's it for this video. Now you know how to connect your domain to PromptROI so you can white label the software as your own.